Well, that was a good start to the show. What do you think, Tara?
I could see you joining them next year.
Most definitely, I will.
I know they'll probably carry you in right now.
If I lose some weight. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Before we move on, I'd like to do a special shout out to our judges that we have here on the panel.
Our judges category tonight. We'll be doing our introduction of judges, my dear bird.
That's right. Theme Birds of the Land, the creative wear is based. Sorry, Mom. Our first judge for tonight, none other than Mr. Olotai Joseph Olotai with us. Olotai comes from the village of Lepam, Malia, and Safotu, and is the managing director of Native Events Heritage, family-owned business since it established in 2015. Next on the list we have none other than Miss Merrill Louie. Merrill is a full-time mother who side hustles as a lawyer, fashion designer, and a businesswoman. The mother of one has been fulfilling the conservative feathers of the legal fraternity with her unique and flamboyant style, influencing a new era of style and fashion in law that it is today, all while building an equally impactful legal career. Her daring fashion sense once earned her the nickname "The Devil Wears Prada," coined by the late Dr. Ali Roger Stanley. This love for law and fashion accumulated in the birth of Louis and Chang Law, a firm, and Maua Louis fashion brand, a first combination of its kind in Samoa. Most recently, she is co-owner of the high-end baby shop called Lee and Chow, hopefully I'm saying that correctly, a homage to the blessing of the motherhood and the gift of children. So, should you ever find yourself in the need of rare combinations of legal advice, a stylist, and baby products, now you know who to call. First day on the job. All right. Next on the list, we have Mrs. Lokinikini Vilu Leva Ravu. Ms. Lokinikini is currently the Director of Human Rights for Samoa's National Human Rights Institution and Office of the Ombudsman. Under the guidance of the Ombudsman, she has been leading the office independently, working for the promotion and protection of human rights in Samoa for close to 6 years now. Not only is she a human rights advocate, she is also a lawyer by profession. Prior to her current role, she worked as a state lawyer at the Office of the Attorney General doing civil legal work for 6 years. Her best moments are spending time with her children and family. Co-host, would you like to read the other one?
That's all right, no co-host. Our next co-host, our next judge tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is Mr. Koiso Zedega. Mr. Koiso Zedega is the country economist for UNDP Samoa Multi-Country Office. He has worked in many country offices of the UNDP, such as Ghana, Lesotho, Uganda, Sierra Leone, Liberia, South Africa, and South Sudan as an economist. He holds an MPhil in economics, PhD candidate at UNISA,